Good afternoon, Gary Bartlett, your personal estate agent. So today we are in the village of Iwade, and as you can see, we're in Grass Emerald Crescent, and I'm here to show you this 4-bedroom linked detached property behind me. This is really spacious and offers about 1,200 square foot of living space. But let's go inside and take a look. So as you can see, the property's got an awful lot of space. It's got 4 bedrooms, 3 of which are doubles, an ensuite shower room, and offers the growing family as much space as they need. So if you'd like to come around and have a look, then please give me a call on 07834 9 777 28. I'll speak to you soon.